Why does your scanner show the P21A0 engine code? What does it mean? P21A0 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 5 air-fuel ratio imbalance. This error code indicates this means your vehicle's ECU has detected that the air-fuel mixture going into the fifth cylinder is either too rich, too much fuel, or too lean, too much air, compared to the rest of the engine's cylinders. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty or clogged fuel injector, bad spark plugs or ignition coils, damaged wiring, mechanical cylinder issues, faulty oxygen sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Audi, Hyundai, and Land Rover. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.